Hello again, welcome back. The ultrasonic cleaning fluid has arrived and we're going to get the ultrasonic cleaner set up tonight, get the carburetors into it and hopefully see what sort of a job it does on them. So let's get the box open. 5 litres and it's 20 quid for 5 litres. That's delivered to the door and it's coming from Antrim, which is only up the road, which is not too bad. I did try to get some ultrasonic fluid from England, but they took the money and then refunded it because they must have difficulty posting these days. Right, let's get her opened up. There we go. Right, what does it say? Ultrasonic cleaner for carburetors. Well, this is a 22 litre cleaner. So, having read the instructions on the cleaning fluid, it's a mixture of 10 parts water to 1 part cleaning fluid. So if I put 20 litres of water into this and 2 litres of cleaning fluid, that's the correct mix. They also recommend that you should use deionized water, so I took the precaution of getting 25 litres of it. Oh, let's get over here. That's roughly 20 litres and I'll put in slightly less than half of this. Oh no! Reckon that ought to do it. It recommends that you set the temperature at 80 degrees C for cleaning carburetors. So temperature plus . The actual temperature of the water is 9. Turn it on, it's going to start to heat. This will take ages, but I've another wee job to do in the meantime. This is a bit like loading the dishwasher. Not that I have a dishwasher right enough, but there you go, I've done it before. What I did, even though I have got replacements in the carb kits for all the jets and stuff, I'm just going to clean the old jets and everything anyway. And the choke plungers as well, I'm going to do those. So let's have a quick look just to get an idea of how dirty the carburetors are. The carburetors aren't exactly filthy internally. The outside of them are a bit grubby from being 34-year-old. And as I say, the float bowls, basically, you know, they're clean enough to do. I will just be keen to see what overall effect the ultrasonic cleaning has. Hopefully it will please me. That's what I want. I want to be pleased. Not much. Just want to be pleased. Here's the kits here. Everything's there. Needle jet, wee filter, main jet, idle jet, the heat gasket. Once we get them out of the cleaner, get them dried off, we'll start the reassembly process. That'll be good. Right guys, let's have a look and see how the potion is coming on. Well, the lid's very hot. Yes, okay. As you can see, I did try to get it to go to 80. It's now sitting only at 42 degrees. I think this is one of the problems of having a large capacity ultrasonic cleaner. It takes a lifetime to heat up. It's an hour and a half after I turned this thing on. God knows what electric it's burning. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these carbs in now and turn them on for 20 minutes. There's the timer and we'll see what happens. Okay, babies, it's bath time. Hope I haven't overfilled it and that flipping thing flows over. Good, 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 good. That's them just about almost covered. You can see there's a reaction starting there already. What do you see now? I've watched several videos online of people using ultrasonic cleaners, and apparently the noise seems to affect GoPro cameras, so it's going to be a racket and a half. Good Lord. That's definitely a chemical reaction, alright. Okay, I'm going to keep an eye on these things. Let them cook for a bit. There you go, that's the first 20 minutes up. Let's have a look. Well, there's quite a strong smell of chemical. The water's reasonably dirty. I'll get the drips off that lid and lift this out where it scalded myself. Try to lift it out where it scalded myself. Oh, that's hot. Yeah, it's definitely doing the business. You can even see. Oof. Why not? If I can open these throttles and let the water out. Open the throttle, let the water out. Well, I hope the lens isn't too badly misted up, but the water's minging, which means the dirt must have come off at some level. I'll stick that back on again. It's just still heating there. Must say I can't see much difference in those jets. But the actual carburetor bodies themselves, you can see there the dirt. So that's obviously working. You rinse these off in clean water. I think what I'll do is I'll give those the float bowls in my mind they're pretty good. They're all identical anyway. I'll give these a rinse off. Let's have a look. I'll tip these over and give them another 10 minutes or so. I have to say it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. The jet's peculiar. They don't seem to have come up at all. Maybe I'm expecting too much. I'll fire them back in again. I'll give them another 10 minutes or so, or maybe another 20. So we're here all night. What have I got? Time. We'll go for 50. No, we'll go for 10. We'll check them again in 10 minutes. One thing I am pleased about is that it hasn't discoloured the alloy or anything like that, so we're still good in that front. Right, let's go to the sink. I'll go and dry these off now in front of a new heater. I had to do a running repair on my waders. I was out fishing today for the first and discovered a leak. So that's always the way. Shouldn't take those too long to dry out. So that was another 10 minutes. Time flies when you're enjoying yourself. Let's have a look. What temperature we're at? We're at 57. It's not bad, it's bloody warm. Oh. Whew. Right, let's get them up onto the tile. Let's have a look. I might have actually been better trying to wedge the carburetors open slightly to let the fluid work here around it, but I can give that a rub with carb clean. The actual body of the carburetors is fantastic. Pleased as punch with that. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, yet again, it's a bit stiff. Just gives a wee rinse. Right, to the tap. Let's have a look at the jets. See if it's made much difference in the jets. I don't think it has. They're probably as clean as they're going to get, if you know what I mean. I put those couple of wee screws in. That's the two screws that hold the carburetors together either side. Just cleaned those up nicely. One there, one there. I'll set those to the side. Choke plunger. Looking good, I think. Looking good.